Progress picture done. Dressed for the gym. Today is shoulders, chest, and tries. I love these leggings. My first form. We do not skip or neglect upper body. Today was shoulders, chest, and tries. First, we did some seated dumbbell Arnold presses. Oftentimes, if I can't necessarily go up in weight, but I can do more than the reps that it says to do, I'll do more reps to prepare to go up in weight. If that makes sense, that's just usually how I do it. Next, I did a superset. The first exercise was overhead dumbbell tricep extension. Just trying to keep good posture during this. And then I did dumbbell lateral raises. I used to not bring the dumbbells all the way in front of me. I used to start with them at my sides, but the demonstration video has it all the way in front of me, and I literally had to go down in weight once making that correction. It made it so much harder. I don't know if there's necessarily a right or a wrong way to do it. Then I did single arm cable chest press. I really like these. It's fun. It's almost like you're punching, you know? And then lastly, I did some cable rope front raises. These are great. They're honestly such a core workout, I feel, which is definitely a plus. And then of course I added on 10 minutes of walking just to make this workout a bit longer because upper body days are usually shorter. Workout was good. I do love an upper body day. I had the gym to myself pretty much the entire time too, which was such a treat. And I'm really just feeling good. I think my ski suit is finally supposed to arrive today. We literally leave Thursday. It is Tuesday and it's, I think, coming in the mail today. The thing is, I didn't even order it late. Like, I ordered it a couple weeks ago. I just didn't know it was gonna take this long. And normally when you check out, especially, I think they normally do this on Shopify, and this website was ran on Shopify. It shows you shipping options and it'll say how many business days, and this didn't. And I was like, oh no, should I like not get this? And I just went ahead and proceeded. So hopefully I just get lucky and it actually does come today and we're good and it fits and everything and we're golden, because if not, I don't know what I'm gonna do. The skin is doing pretty well. The nails, I took off all my nail polish. I'm gonna repaint them before we leave, but nails are also doing well. Like, I am nailing it. Didn't even mean to say that, but I'm like doing really well with my skin and my nails, and that is something that I've been trying to work on for probably my entire life. So I'm feeling really good about these things. I just gotta keep it up. I just threw the last bagel in the air fryer to toast it up, but have no fear, we have more. I'll show you tomorrow how they are after being frozen, because these are the first ones that I made a bunch so that I could freeze them. If you haven't made these yet, what are you waiting for? Good boy, good job. What blows my mind is sometimes on our walks we pass chickens like making their noise, cock-a-doodle-doo. What if that's a rooster? I don't know. But did you hear that? Duncan literally doesn't care. It does not faze him, and that blows my mind. It is such a gloomy day out, but I'm happy I got dunks out, finished the water, just put my phone away, plugged it in across the room so it can't distract me. I'm gonna put my laundry away, tidy up a little bit, and then lock in. I definitely feel more productive when I have at least, like, these aren't nice pants, right? They're like yoga pants, but they're not sweatpants. So yesterday I was in complete sweats all day, and I feel like it just like brings me down. I love to be cozy, but like when I have something even as tiny bit elevated compared to yesterday as today, this, I'm like more on a mission, you know? Let's put the laundry away. Yogurt with peanut butter powder a lot, and I miss it. Excuse me. I really don't feel like making anything, and I need more protein, and I am hungry too. So like, this is 16 plus 7, I think, at least 23 grams, which is great. Add a little sugar-free maple syrup to sweeten it up, and you're golden. Before I jump back into my computer, I think I'm gonna go ahead and finish my book. While I eat my yogurt, I have one chapter left of Atomic Habits, and it's literally titled Conclusion: The Secret to Results That Last. So, let's dive in. The conclusion was literally like 3 pages long, but lucky for me, there was a little end, like mini chapter called Little Lessons from the 4 Laws. There's like 4 laws of habits and behavior, stuff like that. So I officially just finished the book. Super exciting. And then tomorrow I'm going to start The Miracle Morning by Hall Elrod. This book is a similar length. Looks like it's 227 pages. This one was like 260-ish, including the end. I restocked some Nespresso pods. These get delivered so fast. I think I placed the order not yesterday, but the day before. And man, like there is a Nespresso store here in like the North Austin Domain area. I haven't been there. I just ordered them online, but I really needed plain coffee for my protein coffee in the morning. So this Melozio, it's essentially just like plain black coffee. So I got a bunch of these. I actually had a coupon for a free one, which was amazing because it's the exact kind that I'll order for my morning protein coffee. And then I also got Iced Leggero, which is a double shot of espresso that I use in iced lattes. I haven't been having much of those lately because it's cold, obviously. And then also Voltesso, which is a single shot of espresso. I have plenty of double shot hot ones. And then I also got a shipping label to recycle the pods and then free samples. Let's see, we got a golden caramel coffee and a rich chocolate coffee. That's exciting. You can always get free samples in your order, which is fun. So I'm gonna make a latte and then get to work. Come on. It is so gloomy out. It's been crappy weather all day. It's just like mood crushing, you know? And we are both so hungry. We're like counting down the minutes till we can get back because we want dinner. So we just got back from our walk. I actually took Duncan out at like 5 because he was like crying. I think he just really had to pee and he was still working. So I was technically out for like over an hour, which is totally fine, but we had a great walk. We actually ran into a friend and her dog, so I'm with them for a little bit, but we're back, started making dinner. I'm gonna do a new recipe tonight. I'll show you that. However, I mentioned my ski stuff was hopefully coming today, and here it is. It's the moment of truth because I don't have time to order anything else if it doesn't work. The company is called Vector. I'm pretty sure it's like a small business, like and women owned, which is super cool. But I got this whole ski suit. It kind of looks white. No, it's actually green. I know it's bad to do neutral colors, so it's green. I wish it was a little brighter. So let's try it on. How do I look? Place. Sit. Wait. He was begging for dinner, so I called him, just relax. It's definitely long, but I think anything, like any snow pants, whatever, unless I order them in some sort of short version, I'm assuming they would be long. But I feel like this is great. Good thing, because like I said, I had no time. This is exciting. Thank goodness it came on time. And I think there's enough room where it's like I'll be able to layer enough underneath. Like I was really hesitant with what size to go because of layering purposes. And I have like a fleece on and I plan to wear a fleece under it for layering and I think it'll be great. So I'll link their website in the description box. Apparently I didn't record any of that. I thought I was filming me putting everything in here, but we have ground beef, cabbage, soy sauce, garlic, and olive oil. This is what it looks like. I honestly have no idea if it's gonna be good at all. I was supposed to add in ginger, but the grocery store was literally out of ginger. So that could be a key thing that changes the entire flavor, right? Like it's not like that's a tiny, subtle little thing. So hopefully it's still good. I mean, garlic and soy sauce is normally good. There's just not much to this though, you know? It's all right. I do really like the flavor. I just feel like I'll get kind of bored, you know? It's really only like 2 things besides flavorings. It is so foggy out, it's crazy. Normally you can see buildings right there and they're just gone. Just gone. I'm so happy that I started incorporating retinol into my skincare this year. I feel like it has actually done a lot for me. It was tough in the beginning because it broke out so much, but I think my skin is finally used to it, and I think it's helped a lot with texture and stuff. It's been really nice having decent skin lately. It's not perfect. I still get breakouts, discoloration, whatever, but I've been much better about it and treating it better and taking better care of it, and so it's been thanking me. I'm just about ready for bed, but I'm really struggling with the water today. I'm gonna have to take it into bed with me, and I'm not gonna be stupid. Ugh, very, very mixed feelings about the whole water situation. I looked online, and I do like the rule that's like the half your body weight in ounces, but I looked online to see if there's any other like calculators and stuff to tell you how much water to drink, especially if you're, you know, super active or whatever, keeping in mind other variables, your gender, your whatever. And the most that I could find for me to drink is about 90 ounces, which would be 3 of these for perspective, and I'm currently drinking 4. Well, 3 of these would be 96, but it was like 92, I think, was the max that I could come up with. And so just to put it in perspective, so I'm really teetering on the safety. I'm gonna finish this in bed. I'll show you when it's done. We are into the second week. Thank you so much for following along and sticking through the restart and everything. I appreciate you so much. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you have not, especially if you're watching every video and you're not subscribed. Just do it. Hit the subscribe button. It is free and it helps me out so much. And I will see you tomorrow for day 9.